Ladies and gentlemen, children and future generation, my name is Gul Hamid and I am a geologist. We are living on the surface of the earth. For survival, we get everything for our daily life from Earth's surface. So far, we couldn't bring any raw material from outer space. It's mean only Earth's surface is gifted with many natural treasures to meet the needs of 7.9 billion people lives on this beautiful natural planet Earth. These treasures are atmosphere, oceans, forests, fertile soil, land animal, water animal, rivers, lakes, deserts, mountains, flowers, orchards, trees, underground water, etc. These all are assets for human. Unfortunately, someone stealing silently all these treasures from human. Offender is not from outer space. Aliens are not stealing these treasures from human. As per scientists and statistics, offender is mysterious synthetic plastic. This useful invention turned into pollution due to our negligence as well as lack of awareness. Let's check what is the story behind plastic invention. More than 100 years ago, human invented plastic to save elephants and trees. That time poacher killed elephant to get ivory. Those days ivory was used to make billiard balls, piano keys and many other materials. What the heck now, not only elephants dying, all other animals on planet Earth are dying by ingesting leftover plastic thrown away by humans. Even all the natural treasures damaged by single human invention, and that is plastic. Although plastic and its products help humans to create modern world, but most people still doesn't know that scientists invented plastic for human convenience, not for throwaway culture on the surface of the earth. Before throwing plastic on the earth's surface, everyone rethink that it is not the surface of planet Mars. Cleaning is the secret of nature. Cleaning is as much important even in human body. Many organs like kidneys, lungs, liver non-stop clean our body. Even earth clean itself non-stop every day. Let's see how. Earth's oceans non-stop clean by phytoplankton. Earth's soil non-stop clean by microbes. And Earth's air non-stop clean by trees. As per scientists and statistics, Earth's non-stop cleaning system has rejected cleaning the mysterious plastic waste because it is human-made and cooked up in laboratory. Human invented plastic, so whatever problem from plastic each and every human has to solve individually as well as collectively to save biodiversity on planet Earth. We will have to keep away even a small piece of plastic from the surface of the earth. How plastic waste is mysterious because it transforms itself into dangerous microplastic, exists but invisible, and starts stealing our precious, pure, natural treasures from us. Because oceans, phytoplankton, soil microbes and trees cannot decompose macroplastic or microplastic. What the heck, plastic packings made our food safe. On the other hand, soil, our main source of food, is not safe from microplastic damage. It indicates that our food are not going to be fortified. It's gonna be plastified. Daily waste plastic and microplastic enters in the ocean and contaminate entire ocean as well as suffocate marine animals. Whatever microplastic on the land, on soil, air transport everywhere on planet Earth. If we burn plastic, it will absorb by air and contaminate our fresh air. And Earth's gravity doesn't let any toxic particles away from the atmosphere. Conclusion: surface of Earth doesn't deserve waste plastic. Waste plastic has to dump on any other planet by cargo rockets, or if it is costly, then we should break our habit, not the planet. What possible action we can take to save Earth from waste plastic until scientists invent or discover plastic decomposer?